Hello, welcome to my channel. Managing diabetes through diet is all about making smart food choices that keep your blood sugar in check. It's not just about cutting out sugar, it's about embracing a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are fantastic for their fiber and vitamins. Berries are not only delicious but packed with antioxidants. And let's not forget about fatty fish like salmon, which are great sources of omega-3s. On the flip side, it's crucial to steer clear of sugary drinks and refined carbs that can spike your blood sugar. Processed meats and fried foods? Best to avoid those too. Meal planning is key. Aim for regular meals with complex carbs, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Staying hydrated is essential, so drink plenty of water. With these tips, you can take charge of your diabetes management and enjoy a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching NutriSavvy_SS, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.